taking on, I believe, the 2011 King of the Hill champion, Kevin Harvey in the Pro Mod.
Who you like on
the Nova gets the back tire.
The back tire and the hit and the clip.
Yeah. I want something. I want a link sandwich or something, fool. I'm hungry. Hey. Hey, who got some food? Nobody got no food? Man. Rolled up. What is that, man? Is that some good? Tell the truth now. What is that? Let me see. Okay, it got a little scent to it. Got a little scent.
Did he not do that in his suit? Yeah, he did the same thing in his.
Back tire red light.
Back tire red light. What just did? Back tire red light. That back tire shit is on red light. I told you that already with the back tire.
That's the familiar, guys. Once again, if you want to first round of any showdown. If you want first round, I need you to travel.
How it goes? King Drift Monkey, appreciate the sub, man. I thought you been on sub. Somebody smell like some.
Ain't that cold, man?
Yeah, it is. I'm warm. That's all I need to be. That's what I aim. Appreciate it, man. Oh, this is the bomb, man.
All first round winners to the
Oh, I
ball.
forgot. Appreciate it, man. That ain't a bomb, y'all. Yeah, hey.
You're always repping me so hard on the video.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, man. The bomb's on, y'all. They up there, man. The bomb's on, y'all. Hey, the bomb's on the one that be having them cars, man. They be turned up, man. Every single one I see. Yeah. Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Y'all finna change it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, everything that got the bomb on it is fast, y'all. That's for real. Everything got it. Damn, the bomb tune. That's what they saying. For real, man. The bomb, they got it. It's the tune. That's what I think it is. Yeah, I always been with the bomb, man, for real. What money is he on? Hey, money is he supposed to be at blackjack, race blackjack? He ain't got it right yet, man.
I need all first round winners to the pavilion for your numbers, big guys. If you want first round, look out.
Look out. They gonna change their slogan on the back of the hat because of me, y'all.